Okay, today we're going to be making creme brulee. Really easy recipe, just a few ingredients. I have here 4 egg yolks, half cup of sugar, vanilla beans, and heavy whipping cream. So the first step is going to be to put the whipping cream into the sauce pot. So that's going to be the base of our creme brulee. So we put that in the sauce pot, and then we're going to take our vanilla bean. We're going to take the ends off, cut it down the middle. And then we're going to scrape out the seeds. Okay, so once you got it in half, just take your knife and you're going to take out the seeds of the vanilla bean. Vanilla beans are kind of expensive, I think, for these 2 beans. At HEB it was $12. So you can substitute imitation vanilla or liquid vanilla if you prefer to. So once we got these the beans in here, we're going to go ahead and turn this on. Okay, and we're going to bring that to a simmer. So we don't want to get it too hot. We don't want it to boil. We just want to see some steam coming off of the top of it. So that's going to infuse the flavor of the vanilla bean into the cream. So while that's heating up, we're going to take our 4 egg yolks. We're going to add our half a cup of sugar. We're going to combine that together. Make sure there's no lumps. Make sure all the sugar's broken down in there. So we will come back after this starts to boil or to simmer. All right, it's been 30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and pull it out and see what it looks like. All right, so they look good. They're a little bit jiggly in the middle, but that's okay. So what we're going to do next is we're going to put them in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, let them cool off completely, and they should firm up. And then the only thing left to do is put the sugar on top and then caramelize it and eat it. All right, it's been fun making creme brulee with you today. Bye. Okay, we're back. We got our cream and our vanilla bean simmering. Nice little steam coming off the top of that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to combine the cream into our egg mixture. You can see the vanilla beans floating around in there. If you were to use the vanilla extract, you'd want to put your extract into the egg mixture, not the cream. Okay? So we're going to combine it slowly so we don't cook the eggs. Just going to mix it in there slowly so the eggs do not cook. All right, so now all that's combined. We're gonna pour those into our creme brulee dishes now. We don't want to overfill it. We want to just fill it about halfway up because the best part is the caramelized sugar that's on top. So we want lots of area for the sugar on top. Okay, I think that's about even. Nobody's gonna get upset. All right, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna fill this up about halfway full of hot water. And then we're gonna put it in the oven. I have the oven preheated to 285 degrees, and we're gonna cook it for about 30 minutes. Okay, we'll come back after that. Okay, we have our hot water now. That's where it's boiling, and we're gonna add that to here until it's about halfway full. So we're putting the water so that it doesn't overcook on the sides, because if it gets too hot on the sides, it will curdle the creme brulee. So we got that about halfway. So now we're just going to put it in the oven. Be careful not to spill it on yourself. We're going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes, and then we're going to check it after that. Okay, see you in 30 minutes.